Hi there, collectors. Today I want to make a little break from my 50 states quarters program series of videos and to sort my entire coins in this box. As you remember from my first video, there's a little lot of coins and I'm very curious what countries I have and what values of coins I have. By the way, if you want to understand the whole sorting process, you can see a video here. And again, I'm very curious about what kind of coins I have here in my box, especially what countries and what values and what years. So first of all, what I'm gonna do today is to sort all these coins in this box by regions. And for this I have here 4 boxes. For example, here I will put my Europe coins, and here I will put my Asia coins, and here Central and South America, and here USA and Canada coins. So please hit subscribe button here below this video, and I'm gonna start. Come on. Okay, so I'll put my gloves and we can start. Okay, let's go. So what I have here, this is okay, it's from Israel, the roll of 5 agarot. So Asia is here. Let's go. This, I think it's euro 50 pence. It's Elizabeth II. I think it's okay, maybe it's England. Next one is Bunny, Romania. Here francs, France. Here okay, it's drachm, it's Greece, so it will be here. 1 lira, it's from Israel. Oh, another coin from Romania. Great. This is Azerbaijan. Yeah, okay, so it's here, it's also Asia. And this one is from Mexico, so it's Central and South America, it's here. Next one, Elizabeth, the Queen. I think it's Great Britain. Wow, 5 lira Israeli, it's Asia, here. This beautiful coin, 25 centavos, it's something Central America, Argentina. Great. This is Europe. Okay, coin, this is a euro cent. 1 shekel, it's Israel. 10 shekel, Israel. And Azerbaijan is also here. This one, okay, Czech Republic. So let's put it here. This small one, 1 peso. Okay, 1 peso, it could be República de Chile, Central America. Here, okay, Israel. This is Argentina. As you can see, it's Central or South America. Israel. This one, Macedonia, it's Europe. What is this one? Okay, Azerbaijan. Wow, you know, I don't even know where I got these coins. Really, I don't remember. Okay, 50 bunny. It's Romanian. This coin, Denmark. Great. Wow. Europe. It's Israel. This is Israel. Oh, Russia. It's Europe. No, it's not Russia. It's Ukraine. Sorry, it's Ukraine. Europe. Israel. Pesos. Chile. Here. Okay, the Queen. I think it's Great Britain, so it will be here. Stotin Kids, Bulgaria, Europe. This is okay, so it's Asia. It's something like South or North Korea. This is 1 franc Belgium, Europe. Oh, America, 1 cent. Great. Greece, Israel. Wow, £1, Europe. Europe, yeah, UK. Okay, it's Russia. Another queen, 1 penny, Europe, Israel. Wow, I put this coin in my Instagram, I think, because it's very, very beautiful coin. It's from Poland. Very, very beautiful coin. It's Europe. Follow me on my Instagram. Okay, I don't know. I think it's Syria. Okay, so we'll put it here. This one is Mexico. Okay. So Israel. Okay, so as you can see, I have some coins with the same value. So if someone of you wants to, to exchange, please write me below in comment, and I will very appreciate it, and we will think about something. I have a lot of coins, but I think there is a lot of that I don't have, so I can change it with you with my coins. Guatemala. This one, 1 cent, USA. This is 20 pence, Great Britain. What a beautiful coin, $1 from República de Cuba. Wow. Cuba, here. Okay, Euro coin. 50 what? 50 República de Chile. Israel. What is this? Okay. I think it's Thailand. Okay, so I will put it here. No. Why? It's Asia. Should be here. My mistake. 1 penny, Great Britain, Israel, Great Britain. Okay, $1, Belize. It's Central America. Okay, we have a Queen Elizabeth II and so much coins around the world, but this is Central America. Belize. Israel. Euro coin. Okay, it's Hungary. Colons, it's from Costa Rica. Wow. How did I get this coin? I don't know, really don't know. Okay, Costa Rica, Central America. Israel, Greece. I like this centime. It's one of my first coins was centimes, 20 centimes from France. Syria, 1 penny from Great Britain. Okay, it's something Asia. This is Europe. Israel, 1 franc. Oh, Switzerland, República. Okay, it's France. Hungary, 20 what? It's Georgia. It's Europe. Okay, let's put it in Asia. Oh, it's Europe. I don't know, let's put it in Europe. 5 cent Euro coin. Israel. £2, Great Britain, Argentina, Israel, Canada. Wow, what a beautiful coin. Canada, 25 cents. 1 cent America, 24 in Hungary, Israel. Okay, it's Russia. Poland, Hungary. $5 from Hong Kong, I think. Yeah, Hong Kong, it's Asia. Azerbaijan, Israel, Argentina here. Good to know. Centimos. Banco Central de Peru. I think it's Georgia. Yeah, Georgia. Syria. It's Russia. Hong Kong, Asia. Okay, another 20 centimes. So if you want to exchange, I have some coins from Israel with the same value and some coins from Europe with the same value. So if someone want to like exchange with me, please write me in comment, I will do it. 10 agorot, Israel. This is something Mexico. Euro coin, 1 cent USA. This small one, Euro coin. It's Great Britain. Wow, what a beautiful coin. It's Israel. It is also Israel, very old coin. You can, okay. 1 penny, Great Britain. This is, I think it's France. Okay, another Georgia. What the fuck? Wow, what a beautiful coin. Wow, do you see it? What a beautiful coin. £1 from UK. Wow, and I have it. Okay, I think it's Vietnam, it's Asia. Republika Czechska, it's Czech Republic, Israel, Czech Republic, yeah, Russia, Czech Republic, Azerbaijan, Ukraine, Israel, Hungary, yeah, Israel, Canada, 10 cents, very beautiful coin, Canada. What this one? Wow, do you see this coin? What a beautiful coin from Czech Republic. Very, wow, amazing. Israel. Okay, good. Germany, Hungary, Czech Republic. What is it? This is, I don't know, but I think it's Asia. Okay, maybe Japan, I don't know. 500 pesos, Chile. Israel. 5 foreign from Hungary. Turkey, Israel, USA. Poland, France, it's Israel, Syria. Okay, it's another £1 from Great Britain, I think. Okay, Israel. It's also this is Georgia. Wow, another very big coin from Israel. Israel, do you see what a dirty coins? If you know how can I clean my coins, so please write me in my comments below, because I don't know, I really don't know. And this one is somewhere from Asia. Israel. This is, what is it? Mexico. Europe, Euro coin. Thailand, also very beautiful coin. Okay, so we did a lot of sorting here. I think I should stop now and continue sorting in my next video. So be in touch, please. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to know what kind of coins I have in this box, and later in my videos I will talking about all my coins, especially every coin, each coin. We will talk and see what is a real value of these coins. Also, please leave a comment below this video if you have any questions or suggestions, and please remember to update your coins collection in my app. Remember, those of you who will send me coins or banknotes for review will be honored in the top 20 all the time honored list. So be in touch, see you next video, bye bye.